All right, I just ordered a golf bag off of Amazon. It is the Unihimal golf bag, but it has this corny joke on the side. It's like, what do you get if you came across a golfer with an alligator? It says a caddy gator, cornball. But anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside the box. It's a nice looking bag. Put 15 dividers in it. It's a cart bag. It has zippers, to store stuff. It says a cooler packet. Keep your beverages cold or cool. Extra storage. Take this bubble wrap out of here. It's got a head cover. It's a zipper. Few more zippers on the side. And another zipper on this side. A few more zippers. So there's plenty of storage for your, however you want to put stuff into your bag. So let me put my clubs in and see how this is going to look inside of my new golf bag. And I forgot to show you, this is what the bottom of the bag looks like when it stands up. As you can see, there's plenty of room. I use jumbo grip, so there's no friction. The clubs come out easy. This is my driver. I have my 3 hybrid, my 4 hybrid, my 6 iron, 7 iron, 8 iron, 9 iron, pitching wedge, gap wedge, 56-degree sand wedge, and my putter. There's plenty of room to keep my rangefinder in there, my golf balls, scorecards. So this is a great deal. If I want to keep my beverages cool, I can put some pop down here. But put the bag to how you like it. But for this price, you can't beat it. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. But here's another video.